beautiful day, fellas. The flag's waving, the wind is blowing. Got a nice bottle of wine. There's not a single cloud in the sky. It almost looks like there's just one big cloud. I don't know if you see that layer of like whiteness, and then there's just nothing. What a ridiculous day in California. Might actually be a perfect day to drive with the windows down, baby. I don't know what the audio is gonna be like, but hey, might be immersive. We'll see. If you're wondering what bottle I got, a little Malbec. I think that's been my favorite recently. New York Explosion Enger 16? What in the world? That'd be the craziest thing I've seen in a while. To complete this fantastic day, we're getting new socks. I feel like that's something you appreciate as you get older. Also, when did they get so expensive, bro? We're about to go to Ross, man, because they're like 15 bucks at Target. Hell no. There it is. That could go towards more gas, you know? It's... Oh man, the audio might suck for this one. I think we'll roll up the windows a little bit. Make the car a little louder. I think we should be all right. Oh, Ben's minivan, fire. There should be more of those. Please let me make this light. Nope. No. I feel like every time I drive this car, it gets louder. I don't know. Is this an M5? I can't tell what this is. It is the new M5. This thing's kind of gross. Wagon version of that looks real good. Chemical tank crisis in California. Bro, I need to turn these notifications off. What is going on? Sometimes they don't like the exhaust, man. It's kind of rude, right? Shrimp taco stand? Wow. Can't even imagine what that would make my stomach feel like. Nah, that's something right there. That's wow. I almost want to give him a round of applause when I start. What's that? Phone repair truck? Wow, LA's got it all, dude. Everyone's just hustling, trying to get their own M3. You gotta respect it. Oh, Caparino. Hello, sir. Oh, he's turning around. Oh, he's actually turning around. It's crazy. We gotta make it quiet, click the little M1 button, then we're A-okay. Uh-oh. Car turned. Oh my god, now it's just me and this guy. Great, great. Yeah. Yeah. Now we can put it back into loud mode. You see the trees, man. I did just realize that little layer I was talking about, I'm pretty sure that's smog. Pretty sure my lungs are feeling it right now. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Thank you, thank you. Oh lordy lord. Yes. Home of the socks, baby. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Just a little drive along, just a little. I just really wanted to test if the audio was good with the windows down. So we're gonna see together. I might need like an external mic, or I don't know. I know some people put the mic like in here, which is interesting. You got a stop sign, buddy. Yep, chill out. I know some people put the mic in here, some people put the mic in the trunk. I don't know. We're gonna have to find an appropriate mic solution. But anyway, thanks for watching another one. Beautiful day to drive the car, and there will be many more. I love you guys so much. Thanks for chilling. Stay safe out there. Peace. I love you.